Good afternoon out there, everyone in YouTube land. My name is Jared, and this is my channel, Mazda B3K. In this video, we're going to try out the so-called ATF tune-up on my 1989 Ford F-350 with the 7.3 liter IDI diesel. Without further ado, let's get started. So I've been pushing on this diesel to try to get it into a runnable state here the last couple of days, and one issue that it is definitely having, I believe it's due to either a gummed up or worn out injection pump, is that when you snap it, the throttle, it'll rev up just fine, but on its way back down, stalls out. And as I understand it, there's a governing lever inside the injection pump that's got a spring. And if any of that kind of gets gummied up, their spring doesn't return as fast as it should, and then you just stall. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show the behavior, and then we will do what's called the ATF tune-up, where we're going to pour in some ATF in our fuel filter, and then we'll put it back on, and then we're going to crank it, and we'll run it for about a minute. Then we're going to turn it off. We're going to leave it be for a hot minute, and then turn it back on maybe tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we sit. This is we've completed cold startup. So if I punch it, well, that time it actually did okay. There we go. Alright, I seem to remember that this thing was a pain in the butt spin off, and it's got this little, it's the water and fuel sensor actually. It's got to come off too. Probably gonna get some pliers to get that out, and then get a paper towel or something to try to spin this off. I remember the original filter was on really tight. I don't know how much this one's gonna fight me. All right, had to get my filter wrench out, but it's off. These will look clean. This is a brand new filter. So I'm gonna go ahead, just grab some Dexmerk ATF, pour it in until she's full. I'll make sure this seal is lubed up with a little bit of ATF, and then we'll just screw it back on, and I'll put the sensor back in. All right, in we go. Now, the logic behind this is that ATF, because of what it is and what it does, it contains a lot of detergents in the oil. Detergents that are not there in diesel. So the idea is that ATF is still oily enough, it'll burn, right? So you don't hose the engine. But it's also a little thicker, and it has these detergents in it. So once you get it circulated in the fuel system, you turn it off, and you let it sit, and you let those detergents eat, basically, right, and do the thing they do. And in theory, what it'll do is those detergents will get in there, act as a solvent, and ungum any mechanical moving parts that might be stuck. So this also, in theory, would be useful if your injectors are acting a little gummy, like you got one hanging open or something like that. Well, she did not like that. I had to play the throttle to keep it running, and it did blow a little bit more smoke out the back. It could be that the engine really wasn't warmed up, so right on the bubble of it being able to idle fine, and then you mix it up a little bit with some ATF, and it gets cranky. So that is it for now. And come back, I don't know, tomorrow morning, and see if that does anything. All right, it's been a few days. Cranked it up, let all the ATF run through the system and get burned off. So the behavior that we saw before was whenever we snapped or stomped on the throttle, got it up high, that it would die. Whenever it tried to come back down, it would just cut out versus coming back down to an idle. So let's see what we get. Nice. Very nice. Would you look at that? Comes back down just fine. Comes back rock steady at around 700, 750 RPM, somewhere in there. And nice. All right, folks, that's going to do it for this one. We figured out that the ATF tune-up does actually help you out in some cases, at least if you have a fully mechanical IDI diesel. So if this video helped somebody, if it was interesting, if you were entertained, please leave a thumbs up, a like, share it around, maybe subscribe. Helps me grow the channel, helps me bring you more projects like this. Hope this video helps somebody. I'll see you next time.